The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is by far the most excellent smartphone of 2021, consisting of a bigger display, stunning camera quality, awesome performance, and many more. It has got everything you would want in a smartphone, and if you are already tired of hearing rumors about the Note series, going for the S21 Ultra might be the best alternative choice, as it also comes with stylus compatibility. It's been a while since the device was launched, and I have been using it for quite some time now. No surprise, as the phone ensured top-notch performance in every aspect, which undoubtedly makes it the best of 2021. So in this video, I will be sharing the overall performance and user experience of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra after using it for almost 6 months. Starting with the design. The S21 Ultra is sure to give you the most premium vibe with its color and new design on your hands. I have got the Phantom Black version, and I must admit, Samsung has given it a true flagship design overall. Adding more to its beautiful design, Samsung has nestled a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It offers the best screen on a phone with a 120Hz refresh rate and vibrant color contrast ratio. Having a peak brightness of 1500 nits, you can use the device quite comfortably even in bright sunlight. Compared to other smartphones, the S21 Ultra gives the most accurate color from the DCI-P3 color gamut. Nevertheless, the fingerprint sensor is placed under the display, and Samsung has used Qualcomm ultrasonic sensor with a 77% larger surface area. So while unlocking the device, I got more space for scanning my fingers. This fingerprint scanner offers 50% faster scanning with extreme accuracy. Coming to the most anticipated part of the device, the camera section, with 2 telephoto snappers for proper 3x and 10x optical zoom, along with the latest 108MP ISOCELL HM3 1x1.33-inch sensor from Samsung. The S21 Ultra clicks superb pictures. Every picture that you click with the primary camera ensures sharp details, though sometimes you may find it a bit over-sharpened. I love the pictures overall. It is capable of taking 12-bit HDR photos that have 64 times more color information and more than 3 times the dynamic range than its predecessor S20. Besides, the stabilization is superb with the latest OIS technology. You can click sharp pictures with full focus even for fast-moving objects. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60fps with all 5 cameras, including the front cam as well, though it has been using a similar front camera to its predecessor. Moreover, the primary camera allows you to shoot 8K resolution videos at 24fps, which can easily create videos like a professional. But I hardly used 8K mode, as 4K recording gets most of my jobs done quite efficiently. And I have found it capable enough of capturing moments like no other smartphone camera. The night mode is also exceptional for this device. I was able to take clear pictures without any external noise. The overall exposures are improved greatly, and I was getting more detail in shadowy areas with accurate colors. The camera takes up to 5 seconds while capturing night shots, and it is totally worth it looking at the pictures. No doubt, as it deserves to be the best camera phone of 2021. Now let's talk about its performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 888 or powerful Exynos 2100, depending on your region, the S21 Ultra provides superior performance. In terms of most benchmark tests, the S21 Ultra sits right behind the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The phone ensures high rendering quality while gaming and played even the most powerful Android games on it without any lag or stuttering. The 12GB LPDDR5 RAM assists greatly in terms of multitasking. Most of my works was effectively done by the device without causing any trouble. But if you think that would not be enough, you can get the 16GB RAM variant, and the maximum available storage for the device is 512GB. Fortunately, we got the One UI 3.1 update for quite some time, and we must say this has made the device far smoother than the One UI 3.0. The new update has certainly improved the overall user experience by optimizing Google features and also enhanced the picture-taking capabilities. Previously, the Samsung S series were not compatible with the S Pen, as it was dedicated to the premium Note series. But this time, Samsung chose to make the pen usable with the S21 Ultra. I had to get the Galaxy S21 Ultra exclusive S Pen externally, as it does not come with the device. It is much bigger and feels more like a real pen while using. Though it does not feature advanced functions like the Note and Tab S7 Plus stylus, it is enough to get the basic note-taking or other functions done. Another thing that didn't get any upgrade is the battery life, as the S21 Ultra comes with the same 5000 mAh battery as the S20 Ultras. But due to more efficient hardware, it consumes less battery, giving you more juice to last for a whole day. I use the device for multiple purposes, including gaming, web surfing, and video playing. From my daily usage, I was able to get more than 35 hours on call, up to 15 hours on web browsing, and at least 18 hours on video playback. The S21 Ultra supports USB power delivery, and for a 25-watt charger, it takes half an hour for getting the device charged for more than 50%. This isn't bad for a 5000 mAh battery, but the disappointing fact is, you need to buy the charger by yourself. So overall, the Galaxy S21 Ultra delivers superior performance in every aspect, and its sophisticated design makes it the perfect flagship. Using it for 6 months has made me more attracted to this device. It is well enough to deal with every situation, and I have just loved using it. With all these features, the Global Mobile Awards at the Mobile World Congress has awarded the S21 Ultra as the best smartphone of the past year, and they complimented it as the best Android smartphone Samsung has ever made, with a great range of features, stunning AMOLED display, best-in-class cameras, and more. This phone delivers across the board and is a worthy winner of best smartphones in 2021. Certainly, it is still the best, and if you want a true flagship, no other phone can beat the supremacy of the S21 Ultra.